Lady wetu hapa 350,000 shillings.
Mheshimiwa Osoro has given 350,000. Father Dean, Mheshimiwa Osoro give for the choir.
Mheshimiwa Osoro leche choir. Aya, once we finish niche ndo tikaraga tikapo mbiogera hapa.
You know, me, I don't take bets. Now that Mheshimiwa Monda, who is not here, and is a friend to Mheshimiwa Osoro, you add something for him. Okay, Paul. But now because he's believed, and there is a church, I will give 5,000 on his behalf. Now, I want to make one request as I give out the contribution. Mheshimiwa Osoro, you have a friend called Fred Nunda, who is from Bonchari. He has been in prison for so long. And I hope everybody knows what he did. And the children has not gone to school. You come and tell people Nunda is going nowhere. I'm the one who paid the school fees for the last town for Nunda's children. For this town, I would request Mheshimiwa Osoro to pay the school fees as I continue to do the shopping. And Mheshimiwa Osoro, I will look for you so that you can give the school fees. I have 200,000 for Governor Simba Arati. 50,000 for the choir.
50,000 for the choir.
And 50,000 for the waker.
Now 50,000 to Mufika General.
I hope I've presented the governor well. How many are you now, Governor Simba Arati?
You forgot to give.
Daniel said I'm topping up for Mheshimiwa Osoro, and I don't have him, so I can't top up.
Thank you. Thank you very much. This is for Arika, Steve Arika, 10,000. Asante sana.